In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in ActiveCampaign. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started with marketing automation, segmenting your contacts can make a world of difference in how effectively you engage with your audience. Segments allow you to tailor your communications by categorizing your contacts based on different criteria, making your marketing efforts more targeted and efficient. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, you need to navigate to ActiveCampaign's website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the ActiveCampaign homepage. Once you're there, locate the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your account name. Carefully type it into the available field, ensuring there are no typos, as this is crucial for accessing your specific ActiveCampaign dashboard. After you've entered your account name correctly, click on the login button again to get into your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the main overview section. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been on the platform for a while. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the contacts section. Look for the contacts button, which should be prominently displayed on your dashboard's main menu, and click it to continue. Now that you're in the contacts area, your next step is to locate the segments option. This is typically found within the contacts menu. Click on it to open the segment section, which will allow you to view and manage all your existing segments or create new ones. To create a new segment, look for the Create a Segment button, which should be readily accessible. Clicking this button will take you to a form where you'll be entering details about your new segment. Start by typing in a unique and descriptive name for your segment. This will help you identify the segment easily later on, especially if you have multiple segments with different criteria. In addition to naming your segment, there's an optional field for adding a description. While not mandatory, providing a detailed description can be helpful, particularly if other team members will also be working with these segments. It gives everyone clarity on the segment's purpose and criteria. At this point, you'll need to define your segment conditions. This is where the magic happens. For example, you might specify conditions like contacts who have clicked on a certain link. This level of granularity allows you to engage with contacts based on their specific interactions with your content. Once you've carefully set up your conditions, the final step is to save your new segment. Find the Save button, typically located towards the bottom of the section, and click it to ensure all your settings are safely stored. That's it, you've successfully created a segment in ActiveCampaign. Thank you for joining me today, and happy segmenting. Remember, the more effort you put into organizing and segmenting your contacts, the more impactful your marketing campaigns will be.